to show you start to finish how to cook Thanksgiving. I used to be so intimidated by Thanksgiving. I thought that you had to have a lot of cooking skills and a lot of crazy recipes, and I have found the easiest way that you can cook turkey that you are gonna wow all your family members. I'm sorry, I'm going there. I'm saying the word. It's gonna be the moistest, juiciest turkey that you have ever had. Along with the turkey, we're also going to be cooking some cheesy vegetables up, some mashed potatoes, some gravy, and I forgot the croissants. So that's what we're going to have. If you've never done it before, make sure you stay tuned. I'm going to break it down for you step by step. All right, let's get started. Today we are working with a 12-pound turkey. You're going to want to make sure that your turkey is fully thawed and nice and dry before you do anything with it. Take a pre-made stuffing of your choice. Here I'm using stovetop, and prepare it according to the box directions. Then make sure that it is not completely as hot as it's showing in the photo. I was a little rushed for time. You're going to want to let it cool off just a bit and then go ahead and stuff your turkey with it. Season your turkey with salt and pepper, and then either butter that's up to room temperature, or you can melt the butter a little bit and rub an entire stick, yes, an entire stick, all on your turkey. Meanwhile, while you are preparing your turkey, melt another stick of butter and then take 2 cups of wine. I use Pinot Grigio, and make sure that it is fully melted all together. Here it is, your secret weapon to making the best turkey ever. Go to the craft section and get yourself at least 2 yards of cheesecloth. Take your cheesecloth and put it in the butter mixture. It's gonna be super, super hot, so be careful with it. Take it out and wring it very slightly, and then put it all over your turkey. Then go ahead and baste your turkey with the wine sauce one more time. Then take your turkey and put it in a preheated oven at 450 degrees and roast it for an hour. Next, we'll be preparing our cheesy vegetables. This here is just a California blend. Depending on how many people you're serving, you may need more than 1 bag. You're going to need a can of cream of mushroom soup, French fried onions, mayonnaise of your choice. Some people will also add sour cream, but I think the mayonnaise makes it creamy enough. Lastly, you're going to want to shred 2 cups of sharp cheddar cheese. I find when it comes to baking this, if you use the pre-shredded, it doesn't melt as well, so I always shred my own. That's going to go in the oven right around your last half hour of cooking the turkey, 350 degrees for 30 to 45 minutes. After the first hour is up, reduce your oven to 350 degrees, and then you're going to cook it for roughly 2.5 more hours depending on how many pounds your turkey is. Some of them need more than that. Our mashed potato recipe is nothing crazy or spectacular. It's just super, super simple. If you've never done mashed potatoes before, all you're gonna do is peel your mashed potatoes, throw them into some cold water after you've chopped them up, bring it to a boil, and then you're gonna boil it. I don't even use a timer. I just periodically will check to see if a fork can go easily into them. If a fork can go easily into them, then you're good to mash them. After your turkey has been cooking for roughly 2 to 2.5 hours, you want to gently remove the cheesecloth so your turkey can go ahead and brown. Now, I'll be honest with you, I have no idea why our turkey did not get really golden brown. I don't know. I don't know what happened this time, but it should be a lot more golden color looking than that. So don't panic if it's like that. It still tastes really, really good, but just gonna be honest with you. Okay, so our potatoes are out. If you don't have a KitchenAid, you don't need a KitchenAid. You can use a potato masher, you can use a handheld mixer, anything you want just to go ahead and get those potatoes all done. Again, this is really up to your choice. Some people add a little heavy cream, some people will add some milk. You're definitely gonna wanna add some butter, some salt, some pepper. We also will add some garlic powder as well. Again, it doesn't have to be fancy in order to wow a crowd. Once your turkey's out of the oven, let it rest for a good 10 to 15 minutes. I usually will use this time to make sure all the rest of my casseroles are nice and warm. I will make some gravy on the stove. I am not a homemade gravy person. The gravy packet is more than awesome to make some good gravy. Chop it up, slice it up. And there you have it, your easy Thanksgiving dinner. Hope you guys enjoyed. I will be back with another video for you very soon.